Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today we'll be talking about IELTS speaking. So, IELTS speaking is very important module in order to get good overall band in IELTS. This test is conducted before the main test, like it is conducted before reading, writing, and listening. So, it is conducted one day before the main test. So, in order to get overall good band in IELTS, you have to perform very well in IELTS speaking. So today I have decided to share some good tips with you guys in order to make you able to score good band in IELTS speaking. So don't worry about it. Actually, all the modules, all the skills come with its practice. If you want to be a good speaker, you have to speak a lot. If you want to be a good reader, you have to read. If you want to be a writer, you have to write. And if you want to be a good listener, you have to listen. So, one by one, we'll discuss all the four modules, but today we'll be talking about speaking. So, there are certain tips and tricks in order to make you more confident to perform very well in IELTS speaking test. It is basically a 15 minutes test. So, IELTS speaking has three sections. In section 1, examiner asks certain questions about your everyday life, about yourself. So these are comprised of 4 to 5 minutes. In section 2, you are given a topic related to any place, anything, any person, and you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes regarding that topic. You are given 1 minute to think about, to brainstorm ideas, point of views regarding that topic, and then you are given 2 minutes to speak on that topic. In section 3, examiner has a discussion with you related to the topic discussed in section 2 and certain general questions as well. So as far as certain tips of speaking are concerned, number one, don't try to memorize the words, memorize the vocabulary, memorize the topics. Try to be natural, try to speak at your own. Then number two, don't use difficult words, difficult vocabulary that is really difficult to comprehend for the examiner. Try to be simple, try to be natural, and try to use the routine words which are related to that particular topic. Number three, use a range of grammatical structure. Like you have to use simple sentences and complex sentences. This will give a message to the examiner that you have a good command on the language. Okay, number four, don't worry about your accent. So don't, you are not a native speaker, so try to speak in your own accent, but try to use the correct grammar and vocabulary and pronunciation. Okay, during speaking, you can have some time, like 1 or 2 seconds, to pause and to think or to rebuild your ideas. So during that speaking process, you can have a pause for a second or half second or 2 seconds in order to recollect, rebuild your ideas, and then you can go on. Number six is avoid using fillers like So these are not kind of formal things during speaking test. Okay. Number seven is try to extend your answers. Try to speak in detail. Try to elaborate the question in detail. Like don't give simple answers or brief answers. Okay, next one, number eight is smile. Keep smiling, have a relaxed feeling, smiling feeling, have a eye to eye contact with the examiner so that he or she may feel that you are a confident person and you can speak well. Okay, don't speak in a monotone. Like you have to use intonation of your words, your voice. Whenever there is something important, you have to raise your voice or give emphasis. Like don't speak in a flat, monotone structure or way. So you can have an intonation of sound where you have important message or idea, you can emphasize that. Okay, last one is practice common IELTS topics. Like you have to practice what's your favorite place, your favorite person, your favorite book, your favorite idea, your favorite subject. Okay, and all these things you have to practice. That these are certain common words which are asked in the IELTS speaking test. To conclude our discussion, I would like to suggest that don't be in a hurry, don't be hesitant, don't be underconfident. Try to be natural, relaxed, and try to talk with the examiner in a natural, relaxed manner as you are talking to a friend or some family person. So, whenever you show that you are getting panic or you are in a hurry, it really affects on your overall band. Okay, so being confident, being relaxed can earn you good IELTS bands and speaking tests. So be confident and be focused on these tips and tricks in order to get good bands. If you are having any question, you can write in our comments and ask. Certainly, all those questions will be answered. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.